Diabetes mellitus endocrinology lesson 1. In this lesson, we are going to learn about definition, diagnostic criteria, etiological classification of diabetes mellitus, comparison of diabetes mellitus of type 1 and type 2, and treatment of the diabetes mellitus. Definition of diabetes mellitus. It's a heterogeneous metabolic disorder characterized by the presence of hyperglycemia due to impairment of insulin secretion, defective insulin action, or both, associated with some complication such as microvascular complication, macrovascular complication, and acute complications. What are the microvascular complication and macrovascular complications? Microvascular complications are diabetic retinopathy, diabetic neuropathy, diabetic nephropathy. Macrovascular complications are coronary artery disease, ischemic stroke, peripheral arterial disease. Diagnostic criteria of diabetes mellitus. Impaired fasting plasma glucose level 6.1 to 6.9 millimole per liter, HbA1c 6 to 6.4%, impaired glucose 2 hours 75 gram, oral glucose tolerance test 7.8 to 11 millimole per liter. Presence of hyperglycemia symptoms such as polyuria, polydipsia, polyphagia, weight loss, blurry vision. In this case, the confirmatory test is not required. In absence of hyperglycemic symptoms, a repeat confirmatory test done on another day is required for diagnosis of diabetes. Etiology classification of diabetes mellitus. Type 1, Type 2, gestational diabetes mellitus and other types. Type 1 is immune-mediated beta cell destruction. Type 2 diabetes occurs when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. Type 1 usually leads to absolute insulin deficiency. Type 2 when the body does not effectively use the insulin that is produced. Other types of diabetes include drug-induced, genetic defect of beta cell function, disease of exocrine pancreas, infection, and some syndrome which are associated with the diabetes mellitus. Comparison of type 1 and type 2 diabetes mellitus. Type 1 onset of age is less than 30 years, type 2 greater than 40 years. Etiology of type 1 autoimmune, type 2 complex and multifactorial. Risk factor of type 1 autoimmune disease such as grave disease, myasthenia gravis, celiac disease, and pernicious anemia. Type 2 diabetes risk factors are as mentioned in this table. Treatment of type 1 diabetes, insulin therapy. Type 2 is lifestyle modification, non-insulin anti-hyperglycemic agent unless contraindicated. Metformin should be initial anti-hyperglycemic agent of choice. Additional agent to be selected on the basis of clinically relevant issues such as glucose lowering effectiveness, risk of hypoglycemia, and the effect of body weight. Insulin therapy. Treatment of diabetes, glycemic targets, diet, lifestyle modification, and medical management. Glycemic target type 1 and type 2, HbA1c less than or equal to 7%. Diet, daily carbohydrate intake 45 to 60% of energy, protein 50 to 20% of energy, fat less than 35%, and limit alcohol, caffeine, sodium, and lipid. Lifestyle modification, regular physical exercise to improve insulin sensitivity, lower lipid concentration and control blood pressure, at least 150 minutes per week of aerobic exercise, and at least 2 sessions per week of resistance exercise are recommended, and also the smoking cessation. Medical treatment, non-insulin anti-hyperglycemic agent. Initiate non-insulin anti-hyperglycemic therapy within 2 to 3 months if lifestyle management does not result in good glycemic control. Initial HbA1c greater than 8.5 at the time of diagnosis. Initiate therapy with metformin. and consider combination of therapies or insulin if necessary. Insulin treatment used for type 1 diabetes at onset may be used in type 2 diabetes at any point of treatment. Route of administration: subcutaneous injection, continuous subcutaneous infusion, pump or IV infusion. Basal insulin is control blood sugar during the period of fasting. Slow onset of action, lasts a long time. Estimated total daily insulin requirements start with 0.3 to 0.5 unit per kilogram per day. Bolus insulin required to dispose of glucose from a meal, rapid onset of action, short acting. Bolus insulin, short acting and rapid acting analogs. Basal insulin, intermediate acting and long acting analog. Premixed insulin, combination of basal and bolus insulin. We will learn about the diabetes complication and medical treatment in lesson 2. Thank you.